welcome back to Antoro channel. Today I'm at Handara Gate, the place that viral on social media. This is in the car parking of the Handara Gate. And now we're going to buy ticket first. Handara Gate. How much is the ticket?
150,000.
150,000. For three of you lah, right? Okay.
Do I have to pay for you?
No need.
No need.
I'm not coming.
You're not coming?
I'm don't need to pay, take picture.
Oh.
So just for you and Mama. Oh yeah. So Justin, later if you want to take photo with the professional photographer,
Okay.
need to pay 10,000 rupiah per person.
Oh.
So if
Okay.
you and Mama only, so 20,000.
Okay.
So today guys, this is Handara Gate, one of the destination in Bali, the place that you should come, especially if you like to take picture or video for your social media. So in front of us they are kids. So my customer now in Bali bring their mom to explore Bali. So how this area is become viral yeah? It's because on social media a lot of people post this kind of pictures. But this is quite new, nice place guys. Actually, because we are in the highland, I mean in the high place, and the weather is cold here, more often raining. Now it's a bit raining and cloud. Here is the view surrounded this area. Yeah, so this is the view surrounded this Handara Gate. Some of flowers and garden, yeah, surrounded this area. And actually guys, I want to tell you the truth that this gate is actually the gate to entering the Handara Golf. So a resort with the golf yard inside, but because I think last time the tourists want to stop for a while for taking picture and then become viral. Then now to get photo for the social media. Today is Friday, 4 July 2025. This is the update situation and real situation of Bandara Gate Bali.
Oh, kadima ko pengani ni nyonyo ko ni sekali loli. Oh. Nah.
Yeah. Yes, Justin.
Can you helping us to take picture later?
Sorry. Smile, Mama.
Fitness check today.
So guys, this is updating the situation of Bandara Gate Bali today for of July 2025. As you see behind me, lots of people queue for the taking picture, and this is the real situation of Bandara Gate today. My customer still queuing, queue for the photo, taking photo. So I will have my lunch and coffee around here. So thank you guys, please support my channel, Antoro channel, if you like traveling vlog video, and I will always update all the situation of about Bali. I mean, yeah, about Bali. It could be tourism place or something else. Thank you guys, thank you, and bye bye. See you in the next video.